Hi, Mark Diaz here for 2danimation101.com. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to do advanced character animation adjusting motion templates. Let me show you the project file I prepared for you to follow along with me in this lesson. This is what we have. We have the complete animation of this scene except for one little piece, the body movement of the first section. You see, we have the lip sync, the facial emotional expressions, and the camera movement, and then the character changes the angle and runs away, right? I'll show you how to change the angle with G3 characters in CrazyTalk Animator 3 in the next module. Right now, let us focus on how to animate the body super quick, okay? This is my process. I add motion clips, then I sync them with the voice, and then I smooth the transition between the movements, and finally I adjust the position of the body parts. Okay, so instead of starting from zero and doing custom animation like in a previous lesson, you can just add the work done by the animators at Realism and just modify it to your need. Here's how. Let's do step 1, add motion clips. I go to frame 1, okay? You can go to frame 1 if you press comma on your keyboard, okay? And let's hear what he says. Yeah, he says, yeah, I want to enjoy whatever. Okay, let me go to the beginning. And so I will go to Content Manager, then Animation, then Motion, then from here double click, then from here I go to Bonus and then Perform, and I'm going to select yeah. Okay, for this I need to select the character first. Let me select it. And careful, right now I'm on recording mode. I want to zoom in to see exactly what I'm doing in detail, but without messing up the animation of the camera. So I'm going to disable it. Very good. Now we're not recording, and now I can move the camera freely. Okay. Okay, now I have the character selected. Then in frame 1, I'm going to double click on yeah. Okay, double click. And now I have that movement. Now, I just saved about 10 to 20 minutes of animation doing this with just a couple of clicks, thanks to the hard work put into this. Yes, I saved time, but I'm not satisfied. There are two problems. One is that he's moving his hand, his hands are moving the wrong way, you see? And the other is that the movement is off sync. He says, yeah! And then he leaves his hand, right? So I will first focus on fixing one at a time. Right now, what I want is to proceed to step 2, syncing the motion with the acting of the voice. I have the timeline on. If you don't have it showing, just click on the timeline. Then make sure I have the object related track option activated. This one right here, remember, we use it a lot. I'm gonna make sure I have it on. Now it's on. And then I click on motion. And as you can see, we have the motion clip right here. And all I have to do is sync it with the action that we are seeing in the screen. And I need to change the duration. I do that by selecting the clip. I'm gonna hide the camera. Let me hide. I'm gonna click on the camera, okay? And then let me make this bigger. And with the clip selected, I can press Alt S, and that selects the speed function. Or you can just click on the speed function right here. This is the speed function, okay? This allows you to change the speed of the animation. Okay, let's make it shorter to around, how about around frame 40. Let's play it. Okay, it's better. But we can improve it. Let's make it even shorter. I select it. And then maybe to frame 32. How about there? Let's play it a couple of times, see if I like it. Okay. Maybe make it even shorter. Yeah. I think this is it. Now, you see how much time we just saved? We took the animation done by their team, and all I did was adjust the timing. This is light speed animation, perfect for YouTube series. Now, let's add another clip. Let's see. He says, I want to be a loser right now. I'm gonna be on frame 33. And with the character selected, I go to that same folder in the content manager and I'm gonna select the, oh my god, this one right here. I double click.
I want to enjoy being a loser right now.
Well, right
okay.
Now we have
super off sync. And when he does the yes expression, let me show you which expression. When he does that motion, I want him to be saying right now. The now, I want it to right now. Okay, that's what I want. So let's change the timing. I make sure I have the clip selected and the time icon activated. And then I'm going to reduce it to maybe about there. Let me play it.
Right now.
Whoops, that was too early.
Right now.
I don't like it. So it's too fast. It happened too early. So let me try it, make it longer to maybe frame around here.
Now.
There you go.
Right now. Loser right now.
Okay, very good. Let's see it.
I want to enjoy being a loser right now.
Yes.
Well.
This is exactly what I was looking for. Great. Now, in frame 186, let me go to frame 186, the very next frame, I will add other clips. Let me fast forward this process because you already know how to do this. And if you want to copy me, just use the clips shown in the screen. Okay, great. As you notice, I left a little bit of space right here. Let me go to the beginning and play it from there.
Yeah, I want to enjoy being a loser.
As you can see, there's a little jump between those emotions.
I want to enjoy being a loser.
But it's okay.
Right now.
Well, right now.
Remember the transitions? We're gonna apply the transitions from here to here.
We have a special sale and we are giving it away for free.
For free?
Okay. So let's fix this. This is to transition the motion clips. All I have to do, remember, I just select the clip. Let me zoom in. And I can just increase the transition. And then select the next one. And I'm going to transition. And I believe the next two are connected. Yes, those two are connected. And then the yelling action is going to have a long transition.
Free!
For free?
Free!
For free? Sweet!
Very good, very good. Okay, so now let's play it from the beginning.
Yeah, I want to enjoy being a loser right now.
Well, right now we have a special sale and we are giving it away for free.
For free? Sweet!
So, ladies and gentlemen.
Very good. Okay, so far we have 3 steps done. We added motion clips, did the sync, did the transitions, and now we need to adjust the animation. That one is the one that takes the most time, and so we will continue doing step 4 in the next lesson. We will set up the timeline and then work with keyframes and improve the poses of each keyframe. Okay, see you in the next lesson.